Safety should always be your top priority. Hey guys, welcome to MEPS-FPV tips. Today we are going to talk about safety rules. Keep in mind that FPV drones are extremely fast and powerful, capable of causing serious injuries to people and animals, as well as damaging property. Follow the safety rules is crucial, as disregarding them not only affects the parents and the potential victims, but also the reputation of the hobby itself. Here are the rules we offer to you. Rules number 1. Check your local rules and the regulations regarding FPV and RC model flying in general. Rules number 2. Obtain insurance coverage for your drone activities. Rules number 3. Use a spotter or fly with a body. Rules number 4. Choose your flying location carefully, avoiding clouded or risky areas. Rules number 5. Never fly too close or above people and animals. Rules number 6. Disconnect the batteries immediately after getting a crashed drone. Rules number 7. Do not attempt to catch an FPV drone in midair. Rules number 8. Never use damaged LiPo batteries and dispose of them properly. Hope those rules will help you fly safe and also wish you a happy flying.